Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to recover permanently deleted files on Mac. Many Mac users think that once a file is permanently deleted, it's gone forever. But that's not always true. In many cases, you can still recover those deleted files if you act quickly and use the right methods. In this video, I will show you simple ways to recover permanently deleted files on a Mac step by step. So make sure you watch until the end because the last method can recover files even when the trash has already been emptied. Let's get started. If you delete any file from desktop like this, it is on your trash bin. You can recover it by clicking on your trash bin. Just drag the folder to the desktop again, or the next step, just right click on your trackpad and click on put back. As you can see, it is on the desktop. Now the second step is more important. The second step is recover using Time Machine backup. The easiest way to recover deleted files on a Mac is by using Time Machine, Apple's built-in backup system. If you have Time Machine backup enabled, it is very important. You must have Time Machine enabled. You can easily restore older version of files. Click on your Apple icon first. Now click on System Preferences. Now here you can see a Time Machine. Click on this Time Machine. As I have already said, you must have already enabled the Time Machine. I have not enabled it, as you can see. In your case, you must enable this Time Machine. Just click on this. As you can see, the hard drives which I want to take backup, just select that and click on Use Disk. This is the simple step to enable your Time Machine. If you use your Time Machine, your deleted files will now be restored back to its original location. If you regularly use Time Machine backups, this method is the safest and easiest way to recover deleted files. Okay. Now the second step. And sometimes files may still exist in cloud storage services connected to your Mac. For example, if your file was stored in iCloud drive, you might still be able to recover it. Let's know how. Just open your browser first and search for iCloud.com. As you can see here, the website of iCloud.com. Now click on sign in. Now enter your Apple account here. Enter your Apple ID here. Click on continue. Now enter the password. Then click on sign in. As you can see, I have successfully logged in my iCloud account. Just click on this your profile. You can see here iCloud settings, manage Apple account. You can also add multiple Apple accounts. Just click on this menu bar. You can see here the apps, and on bottom you can see here data recovery option. Just click on data recovery. As you can see, recovered files deleted from both iCloud Drive and other apps within last 30 days. Okay, or restore an earlier version of your calendar, contacts and Safari bookmarks. You can restore your files from here, but within the last 30 days. Also the bookmarks, the contacts and calendars as well. This is the second method. Now Apple keeps deleted files up to 30 days, so you might be able to restore them from there. But important, 30 days is the last. You should also check other cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox if your files were synced there. Third method is use data recovery software. If the file is not in trash, not in time machine, and not in iCloud, the next option is using data recovery software. These tools can scan your Mac storage and try to recover files that were deleted but not yet overwritten. Okay, let me show you some popular recovery tools. First is disk drill. This software, as you can see, disk drill data recovery software. This is for Mac users. Okay, now the second one is EaseUS data recovery wizard. This software EaseUS data recovery wizard. You can use this software also to get back your permanently deleted files and all that stuff. And the third one is Stellar data recovery. Open Stellar data recovery. As you can see here, Stellar data recovery services software. So the basic process is simple. Download and install the recovery softwares, launch the program, select the drive where the files were deleted, then run a scan, preview the recoverable files, and then select the files and click on recover. These are the steps you must use to recover your files from using these types of softwares. One important tip I want to say: try to avoid saving new files on your Mac before recovery, because new data can overwrite the deleted files. If you accidentally delete something important, stop using the drive immediately. The more you use the Mac, the higher the chance that the deleted files will be overwritten and become impossible to recover. So that's it. So how you can recover permanently deleted files on a Mac, I have already tell you in this video. Before conclude, let me give you a quick recap. First, click on system preferences and use time machine. Secondly, use iCloud, as I have already tell you, iCloud. Use iCloud. And third, use data recovery software if the file is not available anywhere else. Okay, if this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching.